Okay, so today I wanted to show you how this niche is absolutely taking over every social media platform and making tons of money for everybody. As you can see here, this creator is making lots of money with this niche, 20k in their first month, and I want to show you how you can create these videos and create viral videos, and it's gonna take you just 30 minutes to create. I'm gonna show you how you can hack this basically. I even created a similar style video and I got on a dead account, by the way, and I got 100k views. So here's everything you're gonna need. Here I got the videos you're gonna search for. Basically search scary stories and you're gonna see lots of videos, and the best way to do that is actually searching the video, then interacting with lots of videos. And the best way to interact is like you see a video like this one, don't just watch it and like it, you also visit their page, open up their page on your mobile, basically not here, so you can manipulate the algorithm to get you more and more of these videos, because it's crazy right now. This is like a gold rush and you have an opportunity right now to get into it because it's getting more and more saturated. So to replicate a viral video, you're gonna go to your competitors and sort by popular in their page and grab a popular video of theirs with lots of views, which means it's proven, and we're gonna replicate it. Yeah, we're gonna do this one actually. You're gonna copy the link and you're gonna go to this website, which will give us the transcript of the video. We're gonna hide the timestamps and copy the transcript. So you're gonna go to ChatGPT, paste the script, and you're gonna say paraphrase this, but in the same style. What I like to do is take this, and if it's in a niche I know about, of course, usually I do videos that I know about, I would do more research and see if I can change some things up in the script so I can, make it more original. But we're gonna go with this as it is right now, just for the sake of this example. And you're gonna go to 11 Labs, and I would do like a random one that I found here on 11 Labs, just for the sake of the example. If I find the exact voice, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You can go check it out. All the tools, by the way, will be also in the description below that I use here, and you can get away with most of these like almost for free or with very little cost. Let's generate speech and see how this sounds like.
This is a true story. In 1960,
this might be the same voice, by the way. Viral script and voiceover is done. Now we're gonna go to Gemini, which is the part that takes the longest, or you can use Whisk, and you can get a free month with this. But yeah, what you're gonna do is find a good snapshot of this video, like this for example. You're gonna screenshot this, and then you're gonna go here, you're gonna upload the screenshot, and you're gonna say create an image, and you're gonna analyze, like in simple words, whatever image you want to create. We're gonna create something similar, but yeah, you get the idea. Maybe it's not the same video. You can think of your own scenes, write them down, and then create images based on the scenes. Like here you can see this is very similar, but seems better to me at least. So I created more images, as you can see, with prompts like this. You can just copy this and you just grab another you grab the picture, you put it here, you just create more and more images. And what I did is just look at the script and create an image based on the script and taking inspiration from this video. And now we go to CapCut and we are gonna drop there our recording first, the voiceover, and we're gonna edit that first. The voiceover has lots of these empty spaces, and we want to cut these spaces, make them so that the video and the voiceover is smooth and flows and doesn't have those gaps. I've seen other people on YouTube doing this tutorial and the results were pretty bad, so I believe that this video is gonna help you a lot, and it's the simplest one, I believe, because the other ones we're telling you to use 1,000 billion tools, probably sponsored, but yeah, it should look like this, your voiceover, and then you just put the videos on top of it. Your first image is the most important one. You should use your best one. Let me change the ratio to 9:16. The most captivating, like a hook. So yeah, I'm gonna put all the photos based on what I'm hearing, and I'm gonna line them up. And wherever you have a logo like here, like a watermark, just zoom it in and hide it in the background. This should be fine. Okay, so now that I've put some images, we're gonna add the effects we need. First of all, there is always, as you can see, this moving of the camera, left to right, up, down. To do that, very simple, add a keyframe at the start of your clip, and then just go at the end of your clip, add another keyframe and move it a bit, and then just zoom it in a bit.
This is a true story.
Yeah, so it looks like this with the zooms.
Military research team launched a top secret.
And then we're gonna add the shake effect. Go to effects, type shake. It's the first one. Just add it here, for example, and because it goes like crazy, it's gonna be at 2 and 3 if I'm not mistaken.
This
is
is a
good.
true story.
Yeah, and then I like to add some VHS effects. And then we're gonna make some adjustments. What I like to do is usually play with these. And it looks like this. And before it looked like this. We're gonna first create a compound clip. Create compound clip. And we're gonna generate captions. Oh wait, I'm gonna cut this here because I'm not making the whole thing. And for the text, usually these accounts seem to be using simple text, but you can stand out if you want. This is where your branding is happening. So yeah, you can do some of this, and then some of this. Like this. This is basically the video, and you just add the music that everybody else adds. I'm gonna link it in the comment below or in the description along with all the other resources. Here's the final result, and see you in the next one. Peace.
This is a true story. In 1960, a U.S. military research team launched a top-secret experiment to discover how long a human could endure without sleep. The participant was placed in total isolation, monitored around the clock, with no access to natural light or time cues. By the third day, signs of mental strain began to appear. Confused muttering, forgotten details, and disorder.